I know that when I first looked into this and had my doubts, you're going to look at this video and say, well, you know, should I do it or shouldn't I? And, you know, you're going to go through a surgical procedure that there's a little bit of pain involved, but I didn't worry about that. I really worried about the end result. You know, I can take the pain, I can take this and that. Well, I wanted it to look good and natural, and that's what happened. I mean, this hair now is great. It grows perfectly normal. There's nothing I have to do special to take care of it. It's just great, and it looks really natural, and that's what I wanted. The surgery itself was a piece of cake. You're in and out before you know it, and the recovery is really painless. You have a little bit of numbness. The scar on the back from the donor area is a tiny, thin scar, so that's not a problem. And there's no lumps or bumps that you have to worry about, like if someone's going to run their hands through your hair. It's all natural. So if you have those kind of worries, you don't have to have them anymore, because I know I did, and you don't have to.